Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Emus.Farm.Project. So have you ever wondered how you can make farming easy and at the same time when you're having fun? So in today's video I'm going to share with you some of the things that you can do in order to make your farming easy and fun at the same time. Without wasting any time, let's start. Before I start off with some of the tips on how you can make your farming easy or you can make it fun, let me first tell you certain things that I do. First of all, I do graphic designing, posters. I can design you anything. I can make you t-shirt designs, anything that you want. So just tap on me on my contact on your screen. We shall be talking. So let me start. Around me, we read them from my phone because I wrote them down. So number one, you need to be smart in your garden. In order for you to enjoy farming, it doesn't mean that you have to be dirty always, that you have to have a dirty shirt, you have to have a dirty pant. No, you have to be smart. Like the way I'm dressed right now, it doesn't mean that I'm not a farmer. It doesn't stop me from farming. It will never stop you from farming if you're smart. So be smart, look smart always. It doesn't mean that when you are going out of the garden you have to be shabby. No, after digging, keep your clothes somewhere, wash them. So just enjoy yourself in farming. My next point, listen to this. You can try farming while listening to music. Maybe you have these robots, you have these speakers, you put them somewhere, you enjoy your music. I think you can feel that vibe already. You have your music, your favorite song playing there, then you are digging, maybe you are in your farm, you are in your rabbits, you have your music, maybe you have your earpods, you have nice music. So I believe you can enjoy farming when you're doing that thing. So another thing, listen to this is for couples. Though I don't have right now, but in the future I'll be seeing my spouse close to me. So try farming with your spouse. Eh? How do you feel when you have your spouse close to you? Maybe you are going to visit your garden or your farm, your rabbits, your cattle, your chicken with your spouse next to you. How does it feel? Because we have to love what we do. So if you have your spouse around you, maybe even your family members, I think that will make farming more enjoyable. So this is not for singles, this is for people who have spouses. Take note. I don't have one here because I'm still in that age. So another thing is avoid dates. This is serious, take this serious. Avoid dates always in whatever that you do in farming. You know dates stress people. Some people may quit farming because they have a lot of dates. Like you can have dates but not a lot of them. Don't like pound them on yourself like you have a lot of dates on you. So that will make this fun and enjoyable because you will have no stress. Like farmers who take a lot of loans, they have stress in the garden. You find them they are stressed a lot. So in order for you to have fun in your farming, just avoid a lot of debts. So another thing is enjoy your farm. So in this, like feel free in your farm, just feel free with your workers around. Don't just go there like when they have reported something. Just enjoy your farm. Enjoying, you know how to enjoy. Like you have mangoes in your farm, go and enjoy those mangoes. That is also part of that. So post your farm. Like you see, I post things that I do. That makes me have joy when I see people like liking what I do. That gives me joy. So try posting your farm. Remember, if you post your farm, it will also help you market out your products. It will also help you like sell out your brand to the people. So another time yourself. Don't strain yourself in your garden. Like you should time and always time yourself. Don't spend the whole day in your farm. It will strain you. You get tired of it. Too much of something is always bad. So time yourself that in my garden, I'm going to take this time, this duration from here up to here. That will help you out to enjoy your farm. But if you strain yourself, like you don't time yourself, you spend the whole day in your farm, it will strain you. You can't do that for a full year. But remember, there are some people who do farming as their permanent job. Like, it's not part-time, but it's their job. So try doing that. Then try to communicate your animals. This is fun. Like, I used to see my grandma back in the village. Like, she used to speak to animals, and we used to like wonder what is happening. So she was like enjoying communicate your animals, like teach them signs. Like, you see people train dogs. You can train your animals, like they can listen to your sound. You can train them. You enjoy your farm. You will know that animals will come to you when you go to their farm. If you beat the cow always, you beat it, it will not like you. But if you go around, you try communicating to them, you give them feeds, you will make your farm enjoyable. You will enjoy your farm. So another thing that you should be you. Don't pretend to be someone else because someone is doing this, someone is doing like this. Maybe someone is carrying out poultry in this way, or someone's carrying out piggery in this way. No, be you. Just get ideas, but impact them into being you. Be you in your farm. Don't pretend to be someone else. So I hope you have enjoyed today's video. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, Emus.Farm.Project, and follow me on all my social media handles. I want to thank all people who have made this possible, especially Ugandans, because you people have checked in my analytics, and Ugandans are watching more of my content. Though I urge you all female to like cope up. It's like male are leading, but I need you ladies to also cope up, and let's push the thing. So thank you all people from Ghana, South Africa who watch my content. I appreciate a lot. God bless you guys.